This program reads two vectors and declares whether they are parallel or perpendicular or oblique. First, we have to make up our mind. In mathematics, a vector can be n-dimensional also. However, here we are referring to the vectors of three-dimensional in nature only. That is, they are in the form of ai plus bj plus ck. Here, a, b, c are the direction coefficients of the vector, which are the weights of the principal axes. So we are supposed to deal such a type of vectors only. In this program, we are supposed to read two vectors. Already we understood that we are supposed to deal with three-dimensional vectors only. Thus, in total, we are supposed to read 6 values. Thus, we declare 6 variables a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. However, in reality, these a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 values can be real valued also. Thus, these variables we declare them as float type. We can say that two vectors are perpendicular if their scalar product is 0. For example, if we assume that the given two vectors are a1i plus b1j plus c1k and a2i plus b2j plus c2k, then the scalar product of these two vectors becomes a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2. If this value is 0, we can declare these two vectors are perpendicular. Similarly, in order to check whether two vectors are parallel or not, we have to compare a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 values. If all of them are same, then we can say the vectors are parallel. Otherwise, the vectors can be declared as oblique. We'll be having some problem, especially while testing whether the two vectors are parallel or not. Especially if a2 or b2 or c2, if they happens to be 0, then computation of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 or c1 by c2 leads to divided by 0 situation. Thus, we propose the following change. That is, instead of comparing a1 by a2, whether it is same as b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, what we try to do is we compute the cross products. That is, we'll try to check whether a1 b2 is it same as a2 b1 and a1 c2 whether it is same as c1 a2, etc. As usual, we'll write our main program such that it contains 6 float type of variables a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then we read two vectors values or direction question values into these 6 variables. First, we compute the scalar product a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2, and we try to check whether it is 0 or not. If it is 0, we declare the two vectors as perpendicular. Otherwise, we try to compare the cross products which we have discussed previously. That is, we'll try to compare A1 B2 whether it is same as A2 B1 and A1 C2 is same as C1 A2. If this condition is true, we declare the vectors as parallel. Otherwise, we declare the vectors as oblique. Now let us try to understand the working of our program. Let us assume that user has entered 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 as the input. Now the scalar product value becomes 0, thus two vectors will be declared as perpendicular. This we can verify. The first 0, 1, 0 indicates it is a vector parallel to y-axis. Whereas 1, 0, 0 is another vector which is parallel to x-axis. Obviously, as they are perpendicular, we are supposed to get perpendicular, and our program also giving perpendicular as output. Assume that the user has entered 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 as the two vectors. The scalar product of them is not 0, that is, the vectors are not perpendicular. However, the second condition becomes true, thus we get the vectors are parallel type. Assume that the user has given input as 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 2. If you verify the scalar product is not 0, that is, the vectors are not perpendicular. Also, second condition is not true, thus they are not parallel, thus this program gives us they are oblique type.